Hello friends, I, Dr. Shefali Naranje, bring in this video a few tips on writing skills. Writing is a part of our personality. The more clear and organized your writing is, it reflects the kind of person you are. Therefore, in this video, I will try to help you all in how to start writing. To begin with, I will discuss about paragraph writing. The definition of a paragraph is a collection of related sentences dealing with a single topic or main idea. All other paragraphs support and develop one main idea. The paragraph should begin with the main or topic idea. Supporting details, examples, and illustrations usually follow the topic sentence. At the end comes the closing sentence, which would be the last sentence and which would restate the main idea. One has to remember that a paragraph is built up by sentences and maybe a long or a short sentence to make it into an essay, book, article, etc. Let us first see some of the types of paragraph. To begin with, the first type is descriptive paragraph. This writing describes a person, place, thing as clearly as possible. It makes the reader understand, see, hear, sense everything that helps the main subject to become more lively. For example, I have a beautiful white Persian dog, Sandy. He is naughty and does not want any kind of interference in his room. Here, you find a description of dog with some details. Second type, narrative paragraph. It involves relying a single experience or presenting a series of events that tell a story. Here, the writer wants to share the experience in the form of narration. For example, I felt against the bare skin, a hairy coat of animal brushing. It was midnight, and so I was scared to look down. I thought that this night would be my last night. It brought back fear into my mind. Third, argumentative paragraph. This type is done when the writer provides facts, evidence, and appeals to the audience or the reader related to the argument through a descriptive language. The college exhibition is round the corner and tickets have gone on sale. So even if you are busy, just mark your calendar to relax and have fun. Do not postpone your happiness. It is now or never. Persuasive paragraph. The writer here gets the reader to agree with his opinions. He tries to convince the reader in a logical manner. For example, we are selling the tickets of the movies at a discounted offer only for this week. You are the lucky one. So grab this opportunity and book your tickets. Who knows, you may win a cash prize or a coupon. Next, informative. This is used to clarify, define, compare, or even to explain to the reader what he or she may know. A very simple example, the word communication is derived from the Latin word communis, which means to share, to impart, or to make common. Here, the audience or the reader gets extra information about the root of the word, communication. So after understanding the various types of paragraphs, let us now turn and have a look on how a paragraph can be drafted. It is an art. It requires a skill to develop an idea first into a paragraph and then into an essay, short story, novel, article, to name a few. One needs to keep these principles of paragraph writing in mind while drafting it. The first thing is unity. A paragraph should focus on a single idea. All remaining sentences will be related to that idea. That means whether it is a single paragraph or a series of paragraphs, it should be in one way or other talk, contribute, or describe the main theme on which the writer is writing. Second point is coherence. Having some logical connection between all the sentences. Here, the sentences should be arranged in a proper sequence. It can be done in an ascending or descending order. Central idea. The sentence should refer to the central theme. Stick to the main idea. Fourth, well-developed idea. The idea discussed in the paragraph should be explained adequately. The paragraph should explain the central theme properly. All the supporting lines in the paragraph should be clear and pointing towards the main theme. Fifth, variety. Variety is the spice of life. Just as we do not like to eat the same food or wear the same dress, similarly, in a paragraph, the patterns of sentences must be varied. It can be a positive sentence like, I will go on a bike this holiday, or a long sentence like, breathe in slowly and close your eyes softly. Breathe out slowly after holding your breath for 5 seconds. Similarly, you can use a short sentence, a simple sentence, or a complex sentence, or an active or passive voice sentence. To conclude, well, writing is a skill. To develop it, we have to learn the art of writing. The best way to get started is to start with a paragraph. This will give you confidence as well as you will open up to write with more expressions. Below are some topics for you to start with. So, what are you waiting for? Take a pen and a notebook and start. Happy writing!